Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to get access to the deleted photos or videos in iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to get access to the deleted photos or videos in iPhone. Maybe because you have accidentally deleted some videos or photos and now you want to access to them to see if the right ones get selected or the wrong ones get deleted. Or maybe you have lost any photo or video and you think that it might have get deleted, so you just want to check the deleted videos. So don't worry, whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So to get access to the deleted photos or videos, you have to go to the photos. This is the icon of photos, or you could say gallery. You just have to simply tap on it and then photos will open. Once the photos gets open, what you have to do is that you just have to click on this option, which is album, which is at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see we have four options. You have to select this third option which says albums, because the deleted files will be there. Once you click on it, all your files, or you could say your albums, will open. You just have to scroll down to the down of the page, and there you will see the last option which says recently deleted. So whatever you have deleted, like photos or videos, it will be there. You can easily access to them. So here what I'm going to do is that I'm opening this picture and I'm going to delete it, and once it get deleted, we will see that we will find all these photos or videos into the recently deleted folder. Once you get to this option, you just have to scroll down, and there you will see this last option which says recently deleted. So to get access to this recently deleted folders, what you have to do is that you have to enter Face ID, and once you add your Face ID, you will put your face in front of the camera. It will detect your face, and then it will allow you to get the access of this file. After giving it my Face ID, now it has given the access, and you can see this is a picture that we deleted, and that's how we can get access to our deleted photos or videos. So if you want to recover them back, you can recover it, and if you want to leave it, you can leave it. It's all up to you. Make sure that if you want to access your deleted photos or videos, you just go within 30 days after you have deleted, because after 30 days it will get permanently deleted even in the deleted folder. So you have to keep that in mind. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get access to your deleted photos in iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.